Good morning, class 2. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here to teach you computer. Do you remember the lesson that we were doing? Yes, we were doing the lesson keyboard special keys, and we had seen different kind of keys. Let us quickly revise them. Alphanumeric keys, special keys, and punctuation keys. We had completed the alphanumeric keys and the special keys. Okay. What are alphanumeric keys? They are the keys which have the numbers as well as they have the number keys, and below the number keys there is this alphabet keys. Okay, these are the alphanumeric keys which have numbers and alphabets also. Okay, and then we had the special keys. Let us quickly revise them. The delete key, the backspace key, the space bar key, the enter key, the caps lock key. And what does the delete key do? The delete key deletes whatever you have written towards the right side. The backspace key deletes from the left side towards the left side. Okay, and the space bar key gives space between the words. The enter key brings the cursor to the next line, and the caps lock key makes the alphabet in capital. And then we had done some other keys also. Okay, and the escape key, the tab key. No, we had not done this. We will do this today. Okay, now we had also done, do you remember that we had done the F1, F2, F3 and F5 keys? Yes, F1 is for to display help, F2 rename a selected item, F3 search for a file folder, and F5 for updation of the computer or whatever your system you are using. Okay, now let us quickly do these function keys, and one of the function keys is the escape key. Now let me quickly read it and explain it to you. This is on page number 43. It is a key on computer keyboards labeled ESC. ESC stands for escape. Pressing the escape key usually cancels or stops the current operation. If you are doing something and it is not stopping and you want to stop it, but something is happening and the operation, whatever you are doing, whatever work you are doing, you want to stop it immediately and it is not stopping. Okay, so you can press the escape key and all the operation will stop. Now what is the tab key? Number 2 is the tab key. It is used to move the cursor to the right by many spaces. Okay, it is used to move the cursor to the right by many spaces. Okay, it gives many spaces. When you press it gives like a space bar, but it gives more space than a space bar. Okay, then the num lock key. What does the NUM stand for? NUM stand for the number. Okay, the number lock key. This key is used to type numbers using the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. Okay, now on the right side of the keyboard you have you seen a small there are two places I told you in the beginning where the number keys are there, above the alphabets and also on the right side. Okay, also on the right side, the right side, not the left, the right side. Okay, and there the number key is there. The num lock key is a toggle. What do you mean by toggle? Toggle means to switch. Okay, so if you want it, if the num lock key is on, then you can use the numbers in that keypad, in that square or rectangle keypad. And if the num lock key is off, the numeric keypad works as arrow keys. There are two things. Okay, वहाँ पर नम लॉक की में जो वहाँ पे कीपैड बना हुआ है, कीपैड, वहाँ पे जब आप नम लॉक की को प्रेस करेंगे तो वो ऑन होगा, तो आप उन नंबर्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कई बार समटाइम्स ऑन द कीबोर्ड द नंबर्स above the alphabet keys don't work, so then you can use this one. Okay, the num lock key. And when you switch off the num lock key, then there are arrows also there, then you can use the arrows. You can do two things. Okay, that is why it is known as toggle or switch. Okay, then what is the next one is control key. A control key when pressed along with another key will perform a special operation. Now the control key Along with the control key, if you press some other key, you can perform some special operation. Okay, now there is a picture that you can see, okay, that with if you press control plus S, the whatever you have written, whatever data you have stored, it will get saved. If you press control plus V, it will paste. Okay, if you press control plus Z, it will do undo. What do you mean by undo? It means that if there is something you have written or some program or something you have done, okay, but you want to remove it, you don't want it to happen, so you if you press the undo, it will go. Okay, control plus X means to cut, copy, paste. You must have heard this. Okay, and then control plus C is copy, you want to copy it. Control plus O is open, control plus N is new. Okay, and then control plus S again is save. So these are, and control plus U, you can, whatever you have written, if you want to underline it, so you can press control plus U, and whatever is whatever you want to underline, it will get underlined. Okay, this is the work of the control key. It is very important. Okay, now the shift key. The shift key is a modifier on a keyboard used to type capital letters, other alternate upper characters. There are typically two shift keys on the left and the right sides. The shift key is used along with other keys to get the capital letters and other upper symbols. Okay, now the shift key is on the left and the right sides. Okay, two places you can see the shift key. Okay, and then if you when you press the shift key with other keys, okay, then you can get some other symbols like the exclamation, at, percentage, and arrow, smaller and bigger, and the question mark. All these along with the shift key, if you want to press, you can get those punctuation marks or symbols. Okay, now when the caps lock key is engaged, the shift key can be used to type lower cases letters. Okay, when the caps lock key is engaged, जब caps lock की आपका on है, उस टाइम पे आप shift key को यूज़ कर सकते हैं for the lower case letters, so that जो एक कैपिटल लेटर्स होते हैं और एक लोअर केस होते हैं, तब आप जो आपको चाहिए कि आपके लेटर्स जो हैं वो स्मॉल ही रहें और कैप्स लॉक की आपका एंगेज्ड है, तब आप शिफ्ट की को दबा के तो वो लोअर केस लेटर्स को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी, लाइक दिस. ओके, देन देयर इज़ अनदर डायग्राम हियर. शिफ्ट प्लस 8, ओके, शिफ्ट प्लस ए कैपिटल ए, शिफ्ट प्लस जी स्मॉल जी कैपिटल जी, shift plus B small b. Can you see? Yes, you can do all these operations. Okay, now the punctuation keys. What are punctuation marks? Okay, like exclamation, inverted commas, and brackets, these are all punctuation keys. Okay, you can use them. The keyboard has special symbols and punctuations to produce meaningful and excellent documents. Okay, if you are writing something, you want to use these punctuation marks, you must have learned in the English grammar. Okay, comma, full stop, hyphen, okay, all these are punctuation. Okay, semicolon, brackets, and so on. Now few punctuation keys can be pressed directly while typing any document. There are few punctuation keys that can be pressed directly. The other punctuation keys have to be used along with shift. Okay, कुछ punctuation keys को आप directly अगर दबाएंगे तो वो आ जाएगा तुरंत, but कुछ तुरंत नहीं आते हैं, उसके साथ आपको shift की को दबाना ज़रूरी है, तभी वो आप जो particular punctuation की चाहते हैं तभी वो आएगा. Okay, now the next one is alter key. The alter key is used to change or alternate the function of other pressed keys on the keyboard. There are two keys, alter keys on the keyboard. How many alter keys are there? Two keys, and it is used to change. Okay, जब आपका सूट ख़राब हो जाता है, आपकी ड्रेस ख़राब हो जाती है, आप उसको ऑल्टर करने के लिए भेजते हैं ना, आप उसको चेंज करने के लिए भेजते हैं. तो इन द सेम वे आपने कुछ ऑपरेशन किया, आप उसको चेंज करना है, सो यू कैन प्रेस द ऑल्टर की. नाउ देयर आर सम exercises on page number 47. Look at the picture 1 of the computer keyboard. Okay, and then you will write all the keys. Find the names of special keys which are mentioned below. Okay, you have to find escape key, you have to find. Okay, tab key you have to find on this question number 2. This you can see this keyboard. Okay, we will do this tomorrow. Okay, we will do this tomorrow. Okay children, I hope you have understood. We will do the exercises in the next part. Okay children, we will do the exercise in the next part. I hope you have understood the lesson. God bless you. Take care.